American Express gift card on Nintendo Switch. In this video, you are going to learn how to use American Express gift card on Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. The process is simple. The first step is ensure your Nintendo Switch is powered on. Now navigate to the Nintendo eShop on your Switch. You can find it on the home screen. After that, if you are not already signed into your account, you need to sign in. If you don't have any account, you will need to create an account. Then navigate to the enter code section in the eShop. Look for an option to enter code or redeem code. This is usually found in the menu on the left side. Then purchase a Nintendo eShop card if required. Since the Nintendo eShop does not directly support American Express gift card, you can use your American Express gift card to purchase a Nintendo's eShop card from a retailer. These cards come with a code that you can redeem on the eShop. Now use your controller to enter the code from the Nintendo eShop card you purchased. The code is typically a combination of letters and numbers. Now, after entering the code, confirm the entry and proceed the redeem code option. The corresponding amount should be added to your Nintendo eShop account balance. Once the code is successfully redeemed, the corresponding amount should be added to your Nintendo eShop account balance. Now, while in the Nintendo eShop or within a specific game, you can use the balance to make in-game purchases. That's all. That's how you will be able to use American Express gift card on Nintendo Switch.